Hi everyone. In this internet world, cybercrimes are increasing exponentially, and it's been hard to protect the applications from cyber attacks. Haltdos provides a free-to-use web application firewall to secure the applications from these attacks. In this video, we will discuss how to configure and secure your applications using Haltdos Community Edition Firewall. Installation guide and getting started is available on Haltdos Guide. Haltdos currently supports Linux versions Ubuntu 18, 20, 22 and Debian 11 with recommended system requirement of 2 GB memory. The throughput increases with higher system configuration. Software can be deployed on VM, Docker or hardware. Now I have accessed the VM. Let's run the commands provided in the guide. Let's run the setup script to start installation. Installation is complete now, and let's access the GUI on port 9000 on the VM IP address. Fill in the details as required. You will be getting an activation one-time code on the email used for registering. We can log in with the credentials configured during setup. And we are done. Haltdos Community Firewall is installed and ready to configure policies to protect your applications. Thank you watching our video. We will be back with other video tutorials on how to use Haltdos web application firewall to protect your applications. Wish you a good day.